Welcome to another episode of Still Working. We're down here at the beautiful Midda River in Victoria, Australia. Freddie, you've asked me to grab an array of sensors. What's the plan?
Well, Glenn, I've got a drum there. I was thinking of putting these in a drum, filling it up with a bit of water and send it down the river.
Okay, so once we get down to the end of the river and we retrieve them, what's the plan?
Throw them out, plug them in and see if they're still working.
Fantastic, let's give it a go. Are you ready, Freddie?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Freddie, I had no idea there were going to be rapids.
Well, Glenn, neither did I. And now I know why the locals refer to this place as the Shark's Teeth.
I was worried, you think we'll get them back?
Well, Glenn, if we get them back, the question is, will they still work?
Hey Freddie, I can see it.
Good, Glenn, the sensors made it.
I'll throw the rope and see if we can bring it in.
Yeah. Oh my, I can't believe they made it.
Nice.
That was quite a journey, eh? Oh my word. There we go, Glenn.
So that was great, Freddie, to have those run through the rapids to see how they perform, and we know that these are tested to industrial standards to go into dairies and mining applications. So it'd be very good to see how it goes in the way of the extreme shock that it would have had coming through the water, and also to see what it's like in the water tightness to make sure that there's no leakage on them as well.
Because that was pretty rough, Glenn.
That was rough, yeah. Okay, Freddie, I've got all these plugged in. Have we got connectivity?
Let's have a look, Glenn. Well, it looks like we've got full data.
That is great, considering what they've been through and so dramatic. They're still working.
Still working.